Hey, so you want to know how to make money with affiliate marketing? You're in the right place. First, let's define what affiliate marketing is. Say there's an online business and they want more customers. That business can start an affiliate program where people send them more business in exchange for money. That money is a commission earned for every person who signs up with the company. Typically, companies will pay one of two ways. The first way is they'll pay for leads, and the second way is they'll pay for sales. As an example, I bought a YouTube ads course and it's very high ticket, like super high ticket course. I think at the time I paid like $3,000 for this course, but now it's priced at $6,800. Like, it's insane. And I know you're thinking, no way, that's not possible. These things do exist. These high ticket courses do exist, and it's like a course and a coaching program all tied in one. So you might think that's insane, but it happens when people have like proven systems and you can make 10 to 50 times your investment back. So anyway, this course also has an affiliate program where they're going to pay me 20% of any sales. Not too bad, right? 20% of $6,800 is $1,360 per sale. This is a high ticket affiliate program. If you sold 10 of these courses, that's 10 times 1360 equals $13,600 in commissions in your pocket. That's awesome. On the other end of the spectrum, there's also affiliate networks out there that will pay you for leads. So most of these are on a very low end, say like 25 cents to $2.50 per lead. The leads are very valuable to the companies because they'll put them into their email marketing systems and they're going to turn them into sales. So affiliate marketing is just selling someone else's program or product in exchange for money. There's a few benefits to this too. Number one, you can sell a product without having to create the product yourself. This is a huge benefit, as you might not be the expert in the field, but you know enough about it to like recommend it to others. So that's a huge benefit. The second benefit is you don't actually have to fulfill the product or program. So if you're selling something like a weight loss program, which there are hundreds of online weight loss programs, you don't actually have to help people lose weight. All you have to do is recommend the product to the people who want to lose weight, and you'll get a commission by the company for doing so. That's awesome. The third benefit is this. You can really scale the sales of the company if they use affiliates. So a prime example of this is an online course creators and coaches who have like affiliate programs. You'll see them launching like once or twice a year and have all their affiliates pushing their product hard. One big one is a guy named Stu McLaren. He offers a course on how to make membership sites, which is weird because it's a course on how to make membership sites instead of a membership site on membership sites. But anyway, that's just semantics. The course costs the buyer $2,000, and I think he pays something like 40% in commission. So that's $800 in commission. So you will see all his friends and business partners and affiliates push his product hard. I think it's like every April when he launches. In return, he'll push their programs and get paid by their affiliate programs. So affiliate marketing for courses is a big time industry. If you have a following or list in that niche, you can make big time money year round with not only your own products, but by being an affiliate of other people. It's like a you scratch my back, I scratch yours type industry there. It's not all good though. There is a downside to being an affiliate too. Here's three main cons of the affiliate marketing world. Number one, there's no guarantee of making a sale. So you could do a wicked promotion for a product and get zero sales. It could be that their landing pages didn't convert, or their links failed, or maybe the product wasn't as great as you thought it was. That's something beyond your control, but it's an issue that happens all the time. When you are 100% commission based, you're going to go through an income roller coaster, like big time. I go through them all the time. That's why there's a lot of joint venture programs out there too, where people will push similar products to theirs or like semi-related products year round. So the second con is very few monthly recurring commission programs exist. So typically it's a one and done situation. You send the referral and they buy and you get paid. Then you have to seek out more products to promote and like rinse and repeat indefinitely to keep the money coming in. This treadmill of activity can really cause burnout. A commission that is monthly and recurring could be the solution because you get paid over and over and over as long as the referral stays in the recurring program. Membership sites are a good place to look for this. I personally have a membership where I offer monthly recurring commissions for the life of the member. I do this because I fully understand how much it costs me to get one new customer. Paying an affiliate a monthly recurring payment is more than worth it for me because otherwise I would have never got that sale. It's a great way for me to scale my membership site. If you're interested in my monthly recurring affiliate program, let me know in the comments. I'll put the link. Okay, the third downside. You can't really establish your customer base when you're doing affiliate marketing unless you have your own product in a niche that is. If you do, then your email list will be your primary communication method with your audience. But if you don't have any product in the niche, you aren't known in the niche, and you don't have an email list for the niche, you're just hustling constantly for sales. It's still possible, but it's not as easy as someone who has a following or a list already. So that's the advantages and disadvantages in a nutshell. There's a couple more to them, but I figured I'd do 3 and 3. Now let's look at a few places you can find programs to promote. The biggest one of all, I would say, is ClickBank. That's number one. It's a huge marketplace for affiliate marketers to find products that they can promote for a commission. Now, it's been around forever, and you can find it at clickbank.com. They have programs in virtually every niche you can imagine. And you know they're legit because they've been around forever. There's about 6 million products in over 20 categories on ClickBank. They also have some high-paying programs, some as high as 75% commission. It's probably the best place to start when looking for programs to be an affiliate of. The second one that I like is called Share a Sale. Now, they're also one of the largest affiliate networks out there. They've been around for over 20 years. They built up a ton of trust and goodwill in the affiliate marketing community. It has a very friendly interface and is simple to sign up for. They have offers in 40 categories, including some very, very large recognizable brands. All right, the third place to look is private affiliate programs. This is actually my favorite. Say if you like a software or program or service, you can always check their website to see if they have an affiliate program. Private affiliate programs are my personal favorite because you have less competition versus something that's already listed and easy to find on the huge affiliate marketplaces. You can also develop a closer relationship with the vendor, and that can translate to payout bumps too. So, for example, if you buy a course online and you like it, you can promote it as an affiliate. I bought a course recently on how to make YouTube videos without showing my face, and I'm showing my face right now, but anyway, it cost me like $500, but he's also got an affiliate program that pays 50% commissions. So I did the course and am now promoting his course on my channel since I liked it so much. I think he did a really good job. His affiliate program is private, but it's a great way for him to get more sales, me to profit, and not have to deliver everything, and all around, everyone wins. So if you want to see that course, I shot a video on it on my channel, but ask in the comments and I'll send you the link to it. Affiliate marketing at its best, right? So now you know what it is, you know some of the pros, some cons, and you know where to find the best programs. So let's close this off with the most important part of how to make money with affiliate marketing, and that is getting traffic to the offer. Now, when you join a program, you'll be assigned an affiliate link. That's the link that you use to send people to the program so they can track your sales for you. Typically, there's a dashboard of some kind where you can check your stats, and you'll normally get an email when you get a sale too. There's nothing better than checking your email and seeing that you got a commission, you got a sale. Like, it's the best thing ever. When that happens more than once a day on the big ones, it's awesome. The traffic you send can come from basically 3 main places. The first place is free traffic. Now, this would be just like on its simplest form, say you post your link on social media. You could find something like Facebook groups where people are talking about things in your niche, offer some help, answer some questions, and if people interact with you, send your link via direct message. I wouldn't really do a post, I wouldn't post the link in the Facebook group because the group owner most likely doesn't like that at all. All the group owners I've seen do not like that at all. I have Facebook groups, I don't like that. But you can also seek out online forums and do the same thing. And forums for the kids out there they existed before Facebook, and that's where everybody hung out, all us old people. Anyway, it's an easy way to get some free traffic to your link and get you making some money. Now, you could also take it a step further and create your own Facebook page, Facebook group, Pinterest board and more. Then just post content, throw in your link once in a while. It's kind of like fishing, but you're using social media to find people instead. Okay, the second way that you can get traffic is to buy some ads. Now, you can run ads to get people to click on your affiliate link too. Typically, when you do this route, you need to put what's called a bridge page between your ad and the merchant. The bridge page is just a simple page that can be created on a WordPress site or use some marketing funnel software like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or whatever you want to do. Ideally, you'd like to get the person's email, add them to your own email list, and send them to the offer that you're promoting via email. That way, you can market to that person more than once, which leads us to the third way to make money with affiliate marketing, and that's with your email list. Now, number 3, email marketing. If you don't have an email list, you need one to succeed long-term online with affiliate marketing or any business online, really. Let's say you want to start selling weight loss programs. Well, you can build a bridge page which has an opt-in form on it, asking like the people to enter their email, press submit. Once the person does that, they get added to your email list, and they also are redirected to the thank you page. You can also make sure it's a double opt-in, which means you ask them to check their inbox to confirm that they want to get email from you. I don't typically care much about that, but if you do, then the double opt-in for email approach is safest. Once you have a person on your email list, you've got the ability to market to them repeatedly. I'm not saying spam them with a million offers that are completely unrelated. I'm saying in something like the weight loss niche, there's hundreds of offers you could show them, hundreds, and they're all good. And you can show them all with your affiliate link. That way, if they don't buy from you right away, they might buy later. My email list has allowed me to work online for myself at home since 2007. Without it, I wouldn't be able to consistently pull in revenue. An email list is the most important thing you can have when you're an online marketer. I highly suggest building an email list and start that ASAP. You can offer something for free in return for their email, or you can get advanced and make your own little product and offer that for a low ticket item. That's getting more into like self-liquidating, self-liquidating offers, which is a topic for another video. I hope this video has helped you learn more about how to make money with affiliate marketing. You can make a lot, but it's also a lot of work. I'm not saying it's get rich quick, because it's far from that. You get what you put in, and that's just the way life goes. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing, please ask in the comments and I'll help you out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.